Hi! In front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Password and Security. Now tap on Manage Passwords and click on Google. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now tap on Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you finish, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my login and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!